Good morning, my dear children. Welcome back to this video session. In this module, let's discuss about the infrastructure and the energy components. In this module, we'll discuss the energy as a critical component of infrastructure. Children, you know that the energy is of crucial important factor for our economic development. Energy is a critical aspect of the development process of a nation. It is of course essential for industries. It is used on a large scale in agriculture and related areas like production and transportation of fertilizers, pesticides and farm equipments. It is required in houses for cooking, household lighting and heating. And next one is about the different sources of energy. Children, you would have studied in your earlier classes about the different sources of energy. And you know that there are two types of energy are there. Which are they? Commercial and non-commercial sources of energy. And which are the commercial sources? Yes, that is coal, petroleum and electricity, as they are bought and sold. And which are the non-commercial sources of energy? Firewood, agricultural waste and dried dung. These are all the non-commercial as they are found in nature or in the forest. While commercial sources of energy are generally exhaustible. That means it is what? Yes, extinguished forever. We cannot renew that one. If we used, that it is over. We cannot renew that for any other purposes. Whereas the non-commercial sources are generally renewable. In this slide, we can see the various commercial sources of energy. Which are they? Coal, electricity and petroleum. Next, in this slide we can see the various non-commercial sources of energy. Which are they? Firewood, agricultural waste and dried dung. These are all the various non-commercial sources of energy. And this commercial and non-commercial source of energy are known as conventional sources of energy also. There are three other sources of energy which are commonly termed as non-conventional source. Which are they? Solar energy, wind energy and tidal energy. Being a tropical country, India has almost unlimited potential for producing all three types of energy. If some appropriate cost-effective technologies that are already available are used. Even cheaper technologies can be developed. So children, these conventional sources of energy means both commercial and non-commercial sources of energy comes under that. And that which one? Other three sources also. This all we would have saw that solar energy, isn't it? The energy that we get from the sun. Wind energy, that is from the, yes, the energy that we get from the wind. And the tidal energy means the energy that we get from the tides or waves. Isn't it? So these are all the non-conventional sources of energy. So children, altogether this is about the what different sources of what conventional and non-conventional sources of energy. So children, So far I have explained about what are the different uses of the energy and how far it is helpful for the industrial purposes and agricultural purposes, and more than that, what are the two types of energy, commercial sources and the non-commercial sources. Isn't it? Yes. So we have explained all these types of energy. So children, I hope the session